So hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to join Microsoft Meeting in your Outlook app in your Android phone. So guys, if you want to join the meeting through your Outlook application in your phone and your Android device, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you download your Outlook app and log in with the mail, okay, where you receive your meeting links. After that, simply open your Play Store and download Microsoft MS Teams. Okay, after MS Team, you download and it asks for the update, so no need to update. If you want, so just update it. Okay, then guys, open your Outlook application. In the Outlook application, you just click on the option of calendar where your meeting is scheduled. Okay, after that, go here. This is my mail and calendar. Where is my meeting? Now guys, here you see this is my already team meeting, so just click it. After that, guys, click on the option of team. Here you go to the calendar. Here you choose your date, team, one person, and guys, here you see the option of teams. So before joining the teams, first of all, open your MS Teams. Okay. After open the teams, you log in your app. Okay. After login, guys, you simply go here and simply join. Okay. Here you click on the option of join and you easily join your. So this is the way that you can learn. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.